Good morning, friends. This is Gwen. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you coming by my channel today. I'm going to share with you for the open collab that is Junk Journal Madness. And this is hosted by Susan over at I Totally Love It. This is her monthly collab that she pulls a theme. There's usually a guest host, and we can work on anything we'd like. Most people, well, it is a junk journal, create to that theme. But this month, it is hosted by Susan because this is her birthday month. And she did a really neat theme, which is create your own adventure. And you can kind of do whatever you would like. And I know she has a certain amount of makes and a certain amount of materials you can use, and I didn't write it down, but I want you to go over and check out her channel anyway and see what she put up for introducing this collab for June, and also what she's making. So I didn't think I'd be able to participate this month because I do leave Saturday. I leave on the 13th for Germany. And I thought, well, I can't do a journal in 2 weeks, and I guess I just won't be able to do this one. But then I thought, no, wait, I can. So I made a travel journal that I can take. I'm actually going to make 2 and give one to my friend Vivian, who I'm going to Germany with, and we can use these on our trip. So here's what I did. Very simple, very compact so that they won't take up a lot of room. I received this mailing envelope from Amazon, and it says it's just like a box. So it's a little bit thicker kind of craft paper than their things normally come in. So I used this to create our journals. So what I did is I took this, folded it in half, and then made that be the size of the journals. So we've got, yeah, a nice stiff piece of paper. So in folding that, opening it up, you can see there's that half of strip. And then I just glued some black cardstock on. I didn't mind that part of the packaging showed. I think that makes it kind of fun, kind of grungy for a travel journal. I went ahead and put some of the pieces of black cardstock inside so we can glue whatever we want in there. I had some coffee dyed paper and sewed that in with 3-hole pamphlet stitch there. Turn some of these edges up. We can do pockets there if we want. And found some maps of Europe, and there's Germany, and then I'll figure out a closure. So it's not finished, but this one's pretty much put together. So I thought maybe we could take this one and put this one together. So let's see, am I big enough? My desk is a mess because I am trying to craft ahead and get some things pre-scheduled so that when I leave, we will have some videos up. Let's see, how do I want to do this? I think we're going to do this. So yeah, I leave on Saturday. Crazy. Am I ready? Nope, absolutely not. Frankie, my daughter, she's in Chicago right now. She decided to do a quick little trip with her boyfriend. There was an event they wanted to go to. It was Pokemon Fest, which is how they met. It's 8 years ago, playing Pokemon. And so they kind of do it for nostalgia and for fun. And we've met such nice people playing the game that it's been kind of fun to keep up with it. I think I may have done this wrong, but that's okay. I don't think there really is a wrong. So we're going to fold that down. Okay, so now we have our basic journal shape. This is that little flap. On the other one, I decided to kind of make this a pocket. So we're going to do the same for this one. Yeah, so Frankie's gone on her trip. And I'm like, okay, that's fine, Frankie. I have another little map, a little smaller piece of Germany there, but it will fit on here fine. So my suitcase that I want to use is with Frankie. So I haven't packed or anything yet, but you know, those things can be done, I guess, kind of last minute. I don't know. I don't travel. This will be my first long flight and my first trip to Europe. My friend Vivian's family is from Germany, so she's going to be a wonderful tour guide. And I've known Vivian for probably 35 years now. Those of you that follow my channel know that we used to teach together, well, at the same school. She taught 5th grade and I taught 4th grade. So we were kind of neighbors in the school. Our classrooms were always pretty close together. Okay, we're going to take this and just put this on the inside. And then this will be fun. I like to use the black cardstock. That way everything kind of looks good on black. You know, if we find stickers or just little tickets, memorabilia, Vivian has us all scheduled and planned. We're going to see such fun little, oh, not little, we're going to see such fun, amazing things. And she has our hotels all booked. We will be staying with her family for part of the trip, kind of use it as a home base for, I think the second week we'll be at her cousin's house, and we'll use that as a home base as we tour around. I think we're going to pop into some neighboring countries too while we're there, so that will be really exciting. Yeah, so I'll be gone a month. That's a long time. Oh, friends, if you're still with me, hopefully you are, let me know. I want to try to do some filming while I'm there. Oh, uh-oh. Don't know what's happening there. I want to try to do some filming while I'm there, and I guess, I don't know, what would you call it, like vlogging maybe? Let you know what's going on, show you some of the sights over there. I don't edit my videos, so they might just be shorts. I don't know, maybe I can chat with you when we're in the hotel room in the evening, and maybe you can watch us work with these little books. Well, that was a gluey mess. That's okay. But yeah, let me know if that would be interesting to you. Like I said, I am going to pre-schedule some videos so that I don't completely disappear for all of June. But yeah, it might be fun just to stay in touch with you in a timely way too, up-to-date way. I'm so excited. And I'm really not even nervous for the flight, which might just be my denial. But in past years, I think I started to say, she's always invited me to go, and I've just never had the nerve. I've just like, I can't do it, Vivian. I can't be on a plane that long. I think I'm a little claustrophobic, so that's probably the biggest problem. But I think what changed is my realization that if not now, when? And, you know, we're not getting any younger. And watching my mother, you know, in her last days. And I just don't want to have any regrets. Mom is stable. She is under hospice care at home, but they're only coming like once a week, just to kind of check her vitals and make sure, probably more than anything, make sure my sister is doing okay. And so I feel fairly comfortable going on this trip, but obviously was scheduled way before we knew that my mom's situation was changing. So anyway, my older sister who lives in Utah, I think is going to come and be with my younger sister and my mom. So that will be good. That will be good company and give my sister some support, my younger sister. That's what's good about having a large family is, yeah, because it definitely takes everyone to go through these difficult times. Okay, I will sew this in off camera. Sewing in signatures is my least favorite thing to do. I might put another piece of something here, although again, that doesn't really bother me that the packaging shows, because these are just little junk journals. The other reason I use black is, you know, the German flag is yellow, red, and black. So yeah, I figured that it's, you know, I'm going to use the yellow embroidery floss to tie this in. Okay, thanks for joining me. That's how I put this one together. I think these will be really fun just to slip in our backpacks and do some gluing. And then, you know, in Germany, they have that amazing glue stick over there. What's it called? I don't know. Uhu, I think. So I get to use the German glue stick. I mean, we can now. We can get it off Amazon, but I think it'll be fun to pick up some glue sticks. So I were over there. All right, I am going to film this one more time before I take off. I'll show you the closure. I'll show you that both signatures are in, and maybe any additions that I can see I want to make before we package these up. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me. Thank you, Susan. Wonderful collab. I'm so excited I got to join you this month. And yeah, go check out Susan's channel, and other content creators are also working on the Create Your Own Adventure journals this month, and really fun, really neat that it's so open and you can craft whatever type of journal you would like. Oh, I should tell you this idea. I think it's called a wallet style, and I got this idea from Tammy at Tammy's channel, and I'll list her below. She does a really, really nice one. It's not so thrown together, let's just say. And I did get this idea from her. I thought this was wonderful. But hers is, yeah, go check hers out because she does just a beautiful job. But I think she called this the wallet style. And I thought, perfect. Okay, friends, have a crafty day. Use that packaging. Use those scraps. And I will see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.